Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. Tamarind, health benefits, uses, growing tips. Health benefits of tamarind. Number 1. Rich in nutrients, packed with vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, and antioxidants. Number 2. Improves digestion, natural mild laxative that helps relieve constipation. Number 3. Boosts heart health, helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and supports healthy blood pressure. Number 4. Controls blood sugar, tamarind extracts may help regulate blood sugar levels. Number 5. Supports immunity, high vitamin C and antioxidants strengthen your immune system. Number 6. Anti-inflammatory properties, helps reduce joint pain, swelling, and inflammation. Number 7. Good for skin, used in face packs to brighten skin and fight acne. Common uses of tamarind. Culinary, used in chutneys, curries, sauces, drinks, and candies. Medicinal, traditionally used for fever, sore throat, and digestion. Beauty care, tamarind pulp is used in natural scrubs and skin masks. Beverages, tamarind juice and sherbet are refreshing summer drinks. Growing tips for tamarind. Number 1. Climate, prefers tropical and subtropical regions. Number 2. Soil, grows best in well-drained sandy or loamy soil. Number 3. Propagation, usually grown from seeds, soak seeds in water for 24 hours before planting. Number 4. Sunlight, requires full sun for healthy growth. Number 5. Watering, water regularly when young, once mature, it's drought tolerant. Number 6. Fertilizer, use organic compost or balanced fertilizer during the growing stage. Number 7. Harvesting, tamarind pods are ready to harvest in winter when shells turn brown and brittle. Quick fact, tamarind trees can live for over 200 years and produce fruit for decades. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new about the amazing benefits, uses, and growing tips of tamarind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more health and lifestyle tips. Also, let me know in the comments, have you ever tried tamarind in your daily diet, or do you grow it at home? I'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring nature's superfoods. See you in the next video.